Hey y'all, what's up? Love ya. This is July 16th, 2017. I'm over here at this kind of good sized waterfall right here. I mean, yeah, it's a great day to be alive. Kind of going down these rocks barefoot, so I mean, don't really try that at home too much or anywhere really, but yeah, I mean, yeah, so I mean, stay safe. I'm trying to stay the safest I can, go the best route that I really can. But I'm gonna go and stunt myself around the waterfall, and you know, I hope I don't drop my freaking iPod. That would suck, you know. But yeah, the water's kind of freezing, but I mean, it's summertime, it's July. I mean, so I guess kind of try it at home if you want, but if not, you don't have to. Woo, look at all that. Freaking awesome, you know, just walking through the little stream or whatever creek. This is in Utah. I mean, most of my filming, or I think pretty much all of them for YouTube have been here in Utah so far. But gotta take my ring off, you know, like, cause I'm still technically engaged to Kiara. Well, of course I am, you know, I love her and everything. It's just freaking awesome. I'm gonna put my ring down right there, and you know, cause it like slides off, you know, and then we have like a friendship ring that we have together right there, and so I'm gonna put that right there, and just hope to God that you know, they don't get swept away by some huge current or something, you know. Woo. The rocks are kind of hard on the feet, but it's worth it. In the end, you might want to get water shoes or something. I mean, if you want to play it smart. Whew. Yeah, but I'm gonna go like right up here. Just kind of go underneath the waterfall. It's a really pretty waterfall, by the way. Like, it's not a not safe waterfall. I mean, you can't really, like, unless you like slip and hit your head or something, you can't really die. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but like I'm gonna try to go under, hold the iPod so it doesn't get swept away at the same time as going under the waterfall without my, yeah, so woo! I mean, this is freaking awesome, right? So I'm gonna go under there and scream, I love God, I love the USA, and I love Kiara. There we go. Woo! Oh,